Welcome back to the channel. Today is April 18th, 2025 and we are unpacking some critical stories that are shaping the crypto landscape right now. From major institutional shifts and regulatory movements in the US to significant token specific events and emerging global trends. We have got a packed agenda. Stay with us as we deep dive into the news that matter most. Our top story today revolves around the increasing anticipation of a major wave of institutional investment hitting the crypto markets this year. The sentiment is growing stronger that 2025 could be the year traditional finance truly embraces digital assets. A significant driver behind the optimism appears to be the expected clarity on cryptocurrency regulation, particularly in the United States. Reports suggest that major US banks are not just watching from the sidelines anymore, but are actively preparing the infrastructure and services needed to offer crypto custody and even direct spot trading services to their clients. This is a crucial step indicating a move from tentative exploration to active participation for integrating crypto into traditional banking. Adding another layer to the regulatory picture is the political landscape. Discussion continue around the potential influence of figures like Donald Trump on crypto policy, especially following appointments like the reported White House AI and crypto czar. They are talking about David Sachs. How these political dynamics play out will undoubtedly impact the spread and shape of regulatory frameworks. Shifting to market performance, Bitcoin, the king of crypto, has spent a good part of the recent period trading within a relatively defined range hovering between $83,000 and $86,000. This sideways movement has captured the attention of analysts. While perhaps less dramatic than sharp up or downs, this period of consolidation is often seen as a crucial phase. Market observers are pointing out that the longer price holds within the range, the more significant the eventual breakout could be. Whether that's to the upside or downside remains to be seen. Factors like ongoing global economic discussions and the impact of recent US trade tariffs are also cited as contributors to the current market volatility and the cautious trading scene. Now for a story that sent ripples through the altcoin market. The Mantra token OM experienced a shocking and rapid price depreciation, losing a staggering 90% of its value in a very short period. This wasn't just a dip. The whole team attributed the crash primarily to forced liquidation occurring on exchanges during periods of low liquidity. However, this explanation is being met with skepticism by some, as on-chain data analysis has reportedly revealed patterns of suspicious trading activity in the time leading up to the price collapse. This conflict between the official explanation and on-chain evidence has fueled speculation and severely impacted investor confidence in the project. The team has since announced a recovery plan, but caution lingers for many. Moving to a more positive development, particularly for the XRP community, history was made with the successful launch of the first ever US-based XRP exchange traded fund. The ETF trading under the ticker XRP by Teucrium saw a strong debut, reportedly generating over $5 million in trading volumes on its very first day. This is a landmark event for XRP, providing traditional investors with a new regulated avenue to gain exposure to the asset. The successful launch is also fueling optimism about the potential approval of other pending XRP spot ETF applications. All eyes are now firmly fixed on the upcoming SEC decision date for Grayscale XRP ETF application in May, which could be the next major catalyst for the asset. In Europe, we are hearing that lawmakers in Sweden are making a push for the country's finance minister to seriously consider establishing national Bitcoin reserves. The proposal reportedly include methods like directly allocating funds or adopting a budget-neutral approach to retaining Bitcoin seized from criminal activities, rather than selling it off. Across the Atlantic, a fascinating idea is being floated. The potential for the US government to use revenue collected from the tariffs to purchase Bitcoin. This highlights the growing and sometimes unexpected ways digital assets are being discussed within government circles. And on the innovation front, discussions around AI agent in the crypto space are evolving. The focus is shifting from purely conceptual narratives towards the development of practical frameworks that can actually be implemented and used within the Web3 ecosystem. Finally, a quick note on accessibility. We have also seen reports of new token listings, including Cash Jumps and IPX, becoming available for trading on the LBank exchange. To quickly wrap up the market picture today, the overall crypto market capitalization remains significant. And while we have seen volatility, indicators from some sources suggest market sentiment, though still cautious, has moved away from extreme fear. So there you have it, a look at the major crypto news stories for April 18, 2025. It's clear that institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, and market dynamics continue to be central themes alongside specific token events and emerging global strategies. What are your thoughts on today's news? Are you optimistic about the future of institutional crypto? Let us know your take in the comment section below. If you found this detailed news report valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.